Atomic Beats.
If I can make it through one more day, I can make it through anything. I just gotta get my feet on the ground, keep walking the walk till the sun goes down. So just one more day, and I know that I got this. Yeah, I'ma tell the world that I got this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just one more day.
Get through the next 1440 so I can add a better page to this hex boring story. But broken wings got me grounded, stressing, so I'm poorly. Gotta make it through the night to be blessed morning glory. That's a lot of minutes, especially when the clock ticks slow. Especially when my obstacles be oversizing obstacles. I could sit and act a bitch or I could switch my style. Yo, let me get an inch and I bet I'll take a mile. Just learn not to give one fuck when life's absurd and unjust. Stuck in the dark until the sun up. Got to observe and adjust, cause I know in the moment it can all seem pointless. Keep contracting rashes and you're running at appointment. Just gotta wear it, gotta make your next appointment. Head up, hard work, you won't be disappointed.
One more day, I can make it through anything. I just gotta get my feet on the ground, keep walking the walk till the sun goes down. So just one more day, and I know that I got this. Yeah, I'ma tell the world that I got this. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just one more day.
Relations and having to shake the hands of peeps who never give a damn. Pressure can't shake a damn. Down to rubble till the puddles overtake the land. Way up to here, I've had a pinnacle. It's critical. I don't pour up drink like swimming pools, but it's hard when I see what's going on in the news. Not to pick the truth and think it's cool to give to you. Realize it isn't you. The world has the problems. Gotta feel better like it wasn't bring the golem. Willing to dissolve in lava just to solve them. World's waiting on examples. You can show all them that not everything's meant your way. Here for a little, make most of your say. The fact that you're able to keep your pace shows that there's a reason for one more day.
One more day.